In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS Built-25236 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11, 25236 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11, 25236 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with a set of improvements as well as some additional known issues. Insider Windows 11 Season 2 continues with Episode 2 featuring the latest security features in the Windows 11 2022 update, new Microsoft Store update and improvements. Now you can search anything using Windows logo key plus S key press on your keyboard. Many more fixes and known issues solved in this build. Insider Windows 11 Season 2 continues with Episode 2 featuring the latest security features in the Windows 11 2022 update. New Microsoft Store update with some improvements. You can see Office, Game Pass, or standalone games and redeem it in the store easier than before. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.